If you are a beginner struggling to get leads and conversions, I'll show you a simple strategy you can use to get consistent leads and conversions with CPA marketing. And no, there's no experience required with this method, and you can do this worldwide, which means you can start from zero to thousands of dollars every single week in your pocket with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step in this video. And if you are excited, then make sure to drop a like on this video so that I keep making more videos like this to help you out. So for those who don't know, cost per action is simply a pricing model, which means whenever people take action on a website or on a landing page, you are going to get paid for that action. And usually with CPA marketing, it requires people to simply install an app or submit their email on that website and you make money. And today's video, we are going to be using CPA Grip to do this because this is one of the best CPA networks out there you can use to start making money online as a complete beginner. All you simply need to do is to go over to cpagrip.com and you want to click on the register now button. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you simply need to enter your basic information and your account will be created right away. And once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. And this is where you can also see other people who are making money on this platform. If you come over to where it says public chat right here. So I'm going to show you how you too can make money as a complete beginner with CPA marketing. So all you simply need to do is to go over to the offer tool section and you want to click on my offers. You want to make sure to pick offers from tier 1 countries like United States, Canada, Australia, and United Kingdom. But for this video, we are going to be taking United States as an example. And once you come over here, like I said in the beginning of this video, CPA marketing usually requires people to either install an app or submit their emails. All right. So this is usually the popular way people make money with CPA marketing. You want to then make sure to look for a good offer to promote when you come over to any tier 1 country. So we are going to take this offer as an example, which says take a quick survey for a $1,000 gift card. As you can see, people can win Amazon gift card, Shine gift card, Cash App, and Walmart gift card. So this is a very good offer for people who are looking to make some free money online. All right. So now once you select any offer, all you simply then need to do is to go over to Google and we want to look for content that we will be using to promote this offer. An example of that is by typing in tips to making more money online, since that offer is related to people making $1,000. And this is the same thing you want to do for any offer you're promoting on this platform. So for instance, let's say you want to promote this get a 1,000 PayPal gift card as an example. You can come over to Google and type in something simple like how to make money with PayPal. And if you do that, you're going to see a lot of articles that is going to show you ways people can make money on PayPal. As you can see, this one updated for 2024, the 12 easy ways to get free money on PayPal fast in 2024. So all you simply need to do is to pick any offer here and you want to look for a suitable article on Google that you'll be using to promote that offer. I hope this makes sense. So going on with our first example, which is tips to making more money online. So I'm going to take this article here as an example, which is going to show us 34 ways people can make money online. And if you scroll down here, you are going to see this is the first one here, the second one, up to the 34 ways people can make money online. All right. The next step is to then go over to pexels.com. And if you don't know, this is a platform where you can get free royalty images and videos that you can use for absolutely free without copyright issues. And once you come over to pexels.com, you want to then come over to the search section and you want to type in keyword related to that offer you are promoting. And since the offer we are promoting is related to people making money, all you simply need to do is to type in keyword like money. And if you do that, you're going to see a lot of free videos we can use to start promoting this offer. And once you find any video you want to use, all you simply need to do is to click on the download button and the video will be downloaded to your device right away. So once you do that, the next step is to then come over to canva.com. And for those who don't know already, this is a free design tool which you can use to create design, images, videos for absolutely free without having to be a professional designer, because Canva has provided numerous templates which you can use to create content without having to be a professional. Right? So once you come over to canva.com, all you simply need to do is to go over to where it says videos. So once you come over to videos, you want to then click on this section that says mobile video. So if you do that already, you are going to see so many templates Canva has made available to you, which you can use to start creating content without wasting any time. All right. So you want to then come over to where it says upload. And this is where you then want to upload that video you downloaded from pexels.com. So I'm going to grab the video and I'm going to drop the video right here like this. So once you drop the video in that box, you want to then go over to this scissors option which says trim. So you want to then make sure to trim the video to about 3 seconds, something like this. So once you trim this to 3 seconds, you then want to go over to the text section and you want to drag a heading and drop it here like this. So once you drop this heading, you then want to come back to this page and you want to grab the title of this article. So once you grab the title, you then want to paste it here like this. And also you can change this color to make it visible by clicking on this text color. So now I'm going to change this to something like white, and I'm also going to give it a bold. So once you do this, you can always come over to this section that says animate, and you can choose any type of animation you want to make this content more engaging to our viewers. So for me, I am going to take this template here as an example. So once you do this, you then want to click on these 3 dots and you want to click on duplicate page. So once you duplicate this page, you want to come over to the next page and then you want to go back to this page, and this is where you want to copy the first way to make money online, which is by tutoring people online. So once you copy this, you want to then highlight this and you want to paste this as our first way to make money online. And once you do this, you want to also duplicate this again to another page. So once you duplicate this, you want to then come back here and copy the second way people can make money online. So once you do that, you want to then paste it here like this as well. All right. So once you do this, so if I quickly preview this video, as you can see, this video starts with 34 ways to make money online. And then it goes over to show the first way, which is by tutoring people online. And the second way by becoming a user experience tester. All right. So if you do this, you then want to come over to add another text right here. This is where you then want to type in a simple text like this. Click link in bio to claim $1,000. And now if you are wondering how I got this yellow background, all you simply need to do is to come over to this section that says effect. So if you come over to this effect, you want to then click on this background and you can then rotate this anyhow you want it like this. This is up to you. Okay, so if you do this, you then want to duplicate this and paste it on each of those pages. So once you do this, this is all you simply need to do, and you can then download this straight away to your device. So now I'm going to preview what the end product looks like. So you can see it's a very simple video and straight to the point. Also, you want to make sure the duration of the video is under 30 seconds because people these days like fast-paced content, and that is why you want to make short-form videos so that you can get more engaging viewers and get your videos to go viral easily. So once you're done, you want to then simply come over to the share section, and this is where you want to then click on this download button, and this video will be downloaded to your device right away. And the most important part of this video, which is driving traffic, and I highly recommend going all in for short form content, as they are still getting a lot of boost currently. A lot of my students are getting results with using short form content, and it's now easier than ever to go from 0 to 60,000 followers in less than 2 months using short form content. So if you come over to TikTok here as an example, as you can see, this is an account that is posting non-original content. As you can see, these are faceless content on this profile, and it's getting a lot of views. As you can see, this one right here, check my bio to learn more, 2,000 views, 3,000 views. And like I said, a lot of this video go viral as well, You can see this one here, remote jobs you can do at night. And as you can see, this video has over 370,000 views. And you can see they have their link here in bio, which means once you upload the videos to your TikTok account, all you then simply need to do is to shorten the link and paste it in your profile. And also using Instagram Reels is another way to get a lot of traffic as well, as this is also someone else who is doing the same strategy by posting non-original content. As you can see, these are just images or videos of money, and you can see people are engaging with this type of content. You can see this video here with 63,000 views, and as you can see, over 3,000 likes and 25 comments on this video. And I can assure you, a lot of them would have gone over to this affiliate link, and this account is going to be making a lot of money. And the final traffic source I recommend using is Pinterest. If you come over here, you can see this account with just 29 followers. And if you scroll down here, as you can see, these are content made from canva.com. And you can see this account gets over 13,000 views every single month, even though they barely have any followers on their profile, which tells you Pinterest is one of the most powerful platforms you can use as a complete beginner to start driving traffic to your affiliate link and start making money. So all you simply need to do, like I said, is to create a TikTok account, an Instagram account, and a Pinterest account, and you want to upload your short videos on all these platforms. And using these three platforms combined, you will definitely be unstoppable and start getting a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. And if you enjoyed this video, I highly recommend to check out these two videos on your screen. If you want to see a bonus strategy on how to get USA traffic on Instagram and on Pinterest,